Federal tax law determines what can be deducted and when it can be deducted. Current expenses are deductible in the year they're incurred, whereas capital expenditures must be deducted over several years. In the case of Mount Morris Drive-In Theater versus Commissioner, the difference between these two categories was projected onto the big screen for the United States Tax Court to consider. In 1947, Mount Morris Drive-In Theater Company bought land to construct a drive-in theater. The ground sloped sharply to the northern boundary, and water naturally drained onto the adjacent land, which was used as a trailer park. Mount Morris was aware of the land's topography at the time it was purchased and developed. Mount Morris constructed its drive-in theater on top of the hill, and as a result, rainwater falling upon it drained with an increased flow onto the adjacent property. The adjoining landowner sued. Mount Morris built a drainage system in 1950 to settle the lawsuit, thereby reducing the runoff to the adjacent land. On its 1950 tax return, Mount Morris claimed a deduction for the cost of the drainage system. Mount Morris contended that the costs were ordinary and necessary business expenses incurred to settle the lawsuit. Alternatively, Mount Morris claimed that its costs were a deductible business loss. The Commissioner of the Internal Revenue Service disallowed the deduction, asserting that the costs constituted a capital expenditure. Mount Morris petitioned the tax court for a redetermination.